Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to invite friends in Instagram post. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Click on the plus button. Now go ahead and select either story, reel or post and then select your post from the list. So let's say this, or better still this. Just select the photo or video you want to tag your friends to on Instagram. After that, go ahead and click on next at the top right and then hang on. Then click on next again. Now write your caption. Then to invite your friends, click on tag people. Click on invite collaborators. Now go ahead and search for the name of the collaborators or the name of friends you want to invite. Once you search for the name, Instagram will provide some suggestions. On the suggestions, click on the name. Then you should see the friend invited with something like this. You can invite more people to join you on the post. And after then, go ahead and click on done. Then you should see the number of people you tagged. And once you are done, click on the share button to post the post on Instagram. And the tagged friend will receive a link from Instagram. And once they accept the invite, they'll be able to post the post or video on their Instagram profile using the invite link as well. So that is exactly how to invite friends in Instagram post. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.